Good day everybody, this is your host Ali Rathod from TechRed TV. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to install your WordPress on your cPanel hosting, on your live domain, and on any hosting which is Linux-based hosting. So majority of the hosting where the website is hosted is Linux-based. So we'll be right back, don't go anywhere, with the short intro. So welcome back guys. As you can see with the video, I'll be hiding some sensitive information as this is our live hosting. We normally use Namecheap, Crazy Domains, GoDaddy, or domains.com. So any hosting that you're actually using will have similar interface and the UI. So I'm just going to kick it off immediately and let you guys know. So your domain, I'm going to hide this one. This is my domain that's hidden actually. So your domain must be linked with the hosting. That's a tutorial for another day. But if it's linked with the hosting, you'll actually be interested in this button. If you click go to cPanel, then you'll be able to see your cPanel for your hosting. So the one that I have actually with Namecheap has this UI, which is 95% similar to the ones that you will have. So it'll have similar option. I'm just going to scroll down and let you guys know. I'm not showing you these shortcuts. So the one it's normally minimized. So the one section that you're interested in and we're interested in to begin with is the one that will have either installatron, or will have a heading called softwares, or will have similar to the heading that's here. So if you go down to softwares, you'll see in my hosting it says WordPress, right? So you'll actually see a lot of different sections in your hosting. Could be by category like CMS, could be by name. So the one we're interested in installing, I'm going to actually install on a actual live domain that's basically empty for us. So if you click software, you'll actually have something like this. So you can install any software you can, and you can install blogs. WordPress actually comes under blog or portal CMS. So it'll be under any of the two options. So to continue, I'm just going to click WordPress. So once we're at the WordPress interface, what you need to do is click install. As I was saying before, that you just need to install. And then you'll be seeing this UI. Could be a different UI, but the main information is going to be the same. So I've got SSL enabled on my hosting, so that's why it changed to HTTPS. Now with domain, I'm going to use globaltechmarketing.com without the www. Now there's a big debate going on regarding if we need to install, we need to add www or not. From my experience and from digital marketing point of view, SEO point of view, you need to keep your domain name smaller. So it's preference that you don't use www. So the URL becomes shorter, right? So the next thing is we're going to give us a name to our blog. So it's like TechRed TV WordPress tutorial and tutorial. Okay. So the admin normally it's not a preferred way for you to actually name admin to be very simple. So I'm just going to change it to admin underscore, and that's just a code, right? I'm going to hide the password because I'm going to add an actual password, and the email ID for the time being, admin, this email ID does not exist. So I'm just going to use a dummy one, but you guys have to add the email ID where you will need to get all your confirmation, your inquiries, or your emails from your website. So it could be inquiry@yourdomain.com. Once this is done, we are just going to uncheck this plugin because we are manually going to install plugins, and we don't want by default plugins to be installed. So in your case, it might ask you for these plugins. In your hosting interface might not have this option, but for us it is. So once this is done, we are going to click quick install, right? So once we click it, it's just giving us a little information like which theme we need to present. So I'm just going to use a very basic one. Select theme. Yes. So it's basically asking me the information or the images that are going to be used in that theme are copyrighted and we need changes, so that's fine. So you need to check the install button, and we're gonna click it and just wait for it to install. So the hosting or the cPanel is going to make a database by itself. It's going to create your database username, your database username, password, and all the settings for WordPress. So that's done from our end. So if we go to the domain, this was before. If I just refresh it, you'll see that the WordPress has been installed, right? And to access the admin, I'm just gonna go and write wp-admin and click and open it. And with the admin, we had this, and the other one we had this. I'm just gonna click remember it and log in, so you guys know that it is working. So we have actually logged in to this domain. For those of you who might be checking this domain, I'm gonna actually delete the WordPress from it because just for security reasons. So this is already done, and we can go to plugins and install our plugins and start customizing it. So for those of you who have any questions, feel free to comment below, and don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, and follow us for more, because our next tutorial is actually going to be designing different niches websites. So if you want us to design and develop a website on WordPress, for example, it could be a pet store, could be for a dentist, could be for a real estate agency, a development agency, marketing agency, could be for a retail store, or could be for a fashion magazine, stuff like that. So we'll actually identify different niches and start developing the website. So coming back, just a quick roundup. Once this is done, all you need to do is you just need to go back to your Cpanel hosting, and that's it. That's all you had to do. So if you want to install another WordPress on another domain, just keep clicking this one, or you can install multiple WordPresses on your subdomains. So I hope this was pretty clear to you guys, and I hope it helped you guys. So I'm just going to wrap it up because the tutorial, I think, is past 10 minutes now. So again, don't forget to subscribe, click the bell icon, comment, give your suggestions, give your feedback. If you need any help with this one, you guys can comment below, and we'll definitely help you with your hosting and your cPanel. If you want to hire us for any commercial work, please feel free to comment and contact us at techret.com. That's our website. I'm just going to show you guys. So you can always access it. We've got our WhatsApp number there, so you guys can contact us anytime you like for any commercial project, WooCommerce, or web development services. We're here to help. So this is your host, and this was your host, Ali Rathor, coming up with another tutorial with the actual website next time. So stay tuned and stay safe.